Today we're doing the ribbon cutting. We've gone through a big, huge MDOT project and a city water main project, and so we opening the town up and kind of the catalyst to our, rediscover Sandusky and bringing everyone back.
It's been a long project through the whole summer. We did a full reconstruct on M-46 and then a rehab on M-19 from the south city limits up to the main intersection here.
We partnered with the city of Sandusky to replace the water main also along this section of M-46. New curb and gutter, new signals, basically a total tear out and redo of M-46 through the entire city. It was great to be able to get a job where we actually took care of everything underneath of the pavement and got a brand new, surface and added some ADA improvements for the non-motorized community also.
I know it was a lot for the community to handle during construction. It was pretty impactful to their main routes through town, but now that it's complete, we're hoping it'll last a long time before we have to come back and touch it. Everyone we've talked to has been pretty happy with how it turned out, and they're excited to see the new road going in Sandusky.
This project is huge for our community. It's a reinvestment in our downtown. These roads have been here for a long time, and they needed to be redone, and we hope this project is a catalyst for our downtown on redevelopment and bringing everyone to Sandusky.